Hi students, good morning everybody. In the previous classes we have seen about natural numbers, whole numbers and integers. So today how to add and subtract integers or positive numbers. Before that, you look at this. If you have plus into plus, what do you get? Plus. Minus into minus, also plus. That means if there is two same symbols, you are getting addition, right? Plus into minus or minus into plus, we are getting minus. Okay? Plus into minus or minus into plus will be always minus. That means what did you understand from this? If there is two same symbols are there, add and write same symbol. Remember this. If there is same symbols, add. Whenever we add, write same symbol. Similarly, if there is different symbols, what should you do? Subtract and write big value symbol. Big value symbol. Whichever it is bigger, that symbol you must write. Let me explain with example. 10 minus 6. Minus 10 plus 6. Minus 10 minus 6. 10 plus 6. Always see that there is 4 possibilities. Okay? Because see there, both plus, both minus. Plus minus minus plus. Always whenever we take two numbers, there will be 4 possibilities. For example, 20 minus 10. Minus 20 plus 10. You can frame yourself also. Minus 20 minus 10. 20 plus 10. So these are the possibilities. Similarly, minus 6 plus 4. 6 minus 4, minus 6 minus 4, 6 plus 4. Let me explain this with example. What did I tell you now, just now? If there is same symbols, add and write same symbol. Different symbols, subtract and write big value symbol. Now look at the symbols here. Plus 10 minus 6. Plus means you need not write. 10 plus 10 minus 6 means same symbols or different symbols? Different symbols. So immediately different symbols means what should you do? Subtract. 10 minus 6, 4. Write big value symbol. What is the big number here? 10. Symbol of 10 is positive. So you need not write plus 4. Okay? 4 means it is already plus 4. Look at second one. Minus plus. Different symbols again, minus plus. Different symbols means you have to subtract. 10 minus 6 again, 4. But what is the big number here? 10. That symbol you should write. Clear? 10 symbol you must write because 10, 6. Which one is the big 10? That symbol you should write. Here you see, minus 10 minus 6. What is the symbol here? Same symbols, no? Minus minus. Same symbols. Add and write same symbol. So add them. 10, 6, 16. And what symbol you have to repeat? Minus. Because same symbol is there. Okay? 10 plus 6. Again 16. Now plus 16. Why? 2 plus symbols are there. Whenever we have same symbols, add and write same symbol. Don't forget that. Okay? Whenever we subtract and write big value symbol. Whenever we add, write same symbol. Subtract big value symbol. Remember that concept. Okay? Now look at this. Plus 20 minus 10. Same symbols or different symbols? Different symbols. So 20 minus 10, 10. What symbol you have to write there? Plus. Why? 20 is the bigger than 10. 20 is the bigger number, largest number, greatest number. Okay. So plus 10. Here you see. Again different symbols. Minus, plus. So immediately if there is two different symbols, what should you do? Subtract. 20 minus 10 again 10. So which symbol you have to write? Minus. Clear? Because 20 is the bigger one. Now here same symbols are there. Same symbols means what should you do? Add and write same symbol. So 20 and 10, 30. Same symbol means what should you write? Minus. Here also same symbols. 20 and 10 plus 30. Why? Two plus symbols are there. Clear? Here minus plus. Same or different? So different symbols. So immediately different symbols means remember that subtract. 6 minus 4, 2. What is the greatest number there? 6. Symbol of 6 is minus. Do you follow? 6 minus 4 plus minus different symbols. So immediately write 2 and bigger number is 6. Symbol of 6 is plus. Here minus 6 minus 4. Same symbols. I told you just same symbols means add and write same symbol. So 10 and same symbol means what? Minus. Here also plus plus same symbol. So 10 plus 10. Hope it is clear. Remember that always if there is same symbols, add and write same symbol. Different symbols if you have, subtract and write big value symbol. Remember that. Okay. One more. I'll explain with example. Listen. (15 minus 6) minus 15 plus 6. Whenever you take two numbers, you will have 4 possibilities. Okay. So 15 plus 6. Next. 4 minus 20. Minus 4 plus 20. Minus 4 minus 20. 4 plus 20. 4 possibilities always. Okay. 3 minus 7. Minus 3 plus 7. Minus 3 minus 7. And 3 plus 7. 4 possibilities. Okay. So, now again remember the concept. If there is two same symbols, what should you do? Add and write same symbol. If there is different symbols, what should you do? Subtract and write big value symbol. Observe here. 15 minus 6. Different symbols, right? Immediately if there is different symbols, what should you do? Subtract. 15 minus 6. How much? 9. What symbol you have to write? Plus. Why? 15 is bigger than 6. So 15 symbol is plus. Here minus plus. Different symbols again. So what should you do? Subtract. 15 minus 6, 9. But what is the symbol? Comes here. Which symbol you are going to write there? Minus. Why? 15 is the bigger value than 6. So whenever we subtract, immediately write big value symbol. Don't forget that. Minus 15 minus 6. Same symbols. Add 21. So immediately you have to write same symbol. So minus 15 minus 6 how much? Minus 21. 15 plus 6 plus 21. Clear? Why? Same symbols. If you have same symbols, what should you do? Add and write same symbol. 4 minus 20. Different symbols. So subtract. 16. 20 bigger value. So 20 symbol is minus. Here 20 and 4 again 16. But plus symbol will come. Why? 20 is the bigger value. That symbol is plus. Whenever we subtract, write bigger value symbol. Now same symbols are there. Add 24 and same symbol you should write. Here also same symbols. 24 and write plus symbol. No need to write that. Okay. Same symbols. Add and write same symbol. Different symbols. Subtract and write big value symbol. Okay. 3 minus 7. How much? 7 minus 3, 4. What is the bigger value? 7. So minus 4. So 3 minus 7 will be minus 4. Here also different symbols. 7 minus 3, 4. What is the bigger value? 7. So plus 4 will come. Here minus 3, minus 7. Same symbols. So what should you do? Add and write same symbol. Here also plus plus. Add and write same symbol. So this way you have to practice more number of problems yourself. You can create yourself and practice, because it's a very, very important, essential topic in algebra. Okay? We shall continue some more problems in the next class. Thank you.